Hello everyone, myself Samir, I take care of operations. So we have started this project in 2019 March. So after that, this COVID came and it's gone like into toss. We kept on hold for some time. Somewhere 6 months we kept on hold. Then again we started this project in October. So it took again like we thought of opening in March. Again we got lockdown. Then we kept on hold. Then finally we are opening now. So from today, tomorrow onwards, it is open for all the crowd. So the major thing we have started this project, whatever Anil sir said, it's all correct. Basically, choosing of this Kondapur space is this space you have mixed crowd. You have IT crowd, you have bachelors who generally go to all the institutes and all studying. Then you have family crowd. You have every crowd. All the even like you have all the regions staying here. It's not only Telugu people. You have North Indians staying here, Punjabi staying here. You have Bengalis, more of Bengalis. You have Muslims. Everyone staying here. So that's where we did lots of survey. It's been like we have done almost 6 months of survey for this project to start. Then we have started this project. So our major the buffet concept is you can say like more of like it's a fine dining buffet restaurant, but you can see all our associate chefs very closely moving with all the guests. The major thing is that's the reason like all the chefs come out of the kitchen and they speak to each and every table. Then we have managers, restaurant manager and everyone like who go to eat at each and every table. We don't have any like the VIP guest and all. For us, everyone is VIP. The majorly what the thing is. Every restaurant say we cannot satisfy 100% guests, but here our target is to satisfy each and every guest like 100% target. We don't want it to lose even 1%. We have lots of buffets in this area like High Tech City, Madhapur, Kondapur, like not Kondapur, Gachibowli itself here. So you have five-star hotels where like Westin, Trident, you have Novotel, everything. And apart from five stars, you have all the other restaurants also. You have Barbecue Nation, Absolute Barbecue. Then you have Indigo. You have lots of restaurants. So we wanted to place ourselves in between both this. Like we wanted to start our restaurant, but in a higher level. Like where is like your five, all giving five-star standards. Yours, if you take from starting onwards, like if you're each and every product we bought it like a premium product like equal to the five-star standards. Then even your staff is morely like everyone is from five-star background, and it's we wanted to give the satisfaction to the customer in a five-star level in a minimal price. The price is also not very high. It's basic price, economical, which everyone can spend actually. So our major focus in this restaurant is you have the mainly kids play area, which is very user friendly for all the kids and families. Then you have on weekends we are having live band. Apart from live band, you having kids activities. You have magic show, you have tattoo, you have balloon artists. Then you'll be having like bangle maker one day. You'll be having like the pot maker one day. Different activities for each and every week. You have a different activities. Then apart from this, you have the basic kids buffet, which consists of your popcorn section, nachos, pasta. You have noodles. You have sugar candy. You have all the smileys, French fries, and all. Then you have ice cream. Like you have a live stone ice cream, which we make it in house. You have PDR. So we have here we have covered everything. Like we have covered family section. We have covered corporate PDR where you can see outside like all the sofa areas, which you have all the Wi-Fi, free Wi-Fi. You have extensions like plug points and all. Then you have family PDR, which is like the closed PDR for all the families to celebrate whatever the occasions are there. Apart from this, you have a couple PDR. It's a special, we call it as special PDR for the couples. It's majorly for the couples who are celebrating their anniversary, birthdays, whatever, with a minimal price actually. Outside, if you see, if they name it as special PDR, they charge boom actually. But here we don't charge. We charge it normal price.